Honourable President, thank you for the privilege of presenting to you and to this forum this afternoon. Corobrik pledges to invest just over R1 billion in the next 2 to 3 years. And we look forward to seeing you at the new factory opening. Thank you.
President Cyril Ramaphosa is expected to open Corobrik's new factory in Driefontein, Carlswell.
There is still a healthy appetite for what South Africa has to offer, and the launch of this particular factory today is testament to that hunger and appetite.
We aren't standing still, we're moving forward, and Corobrik is placing a very important brick in that wall of economic recovery and reconstruction today.
I'm honored to be part of this milestone event today, the launch of the new Corobrik manufacturing plant, appropriately named Kwastina. Your commitment to government's economic recovery efforts and confidence in growing the South African manufacturing sector is commendable.
I really am truly delighted to be here because this initiative and factory that we are launching today is part of the investment journey that we started 4 years ago. And I said that we want to move the commitments that were made at our investment conference to real projects that we can feel and touch and see. And we also wanted to see people being employed. And here today at Kwastina, we are seeing the results of the 800 million rand investment that Corobrik pledged at the 2019 investment conference.
The factory is acknowledged as the best and most modern brick factory in the world and the largest on the African continent, providing thousands of skilled downstream jobs in the building industry, where bricks remain the preferred, safest and most durable building material.
So we got all the guys from the old factory and we retrained them to how to use robots, how to use world-class machinery. So what we've done is we've upskilled all the people that we had.
We had about 30 unskilled workers from local communities which were brought in and trained.
I think it's a world-class factory, equivalent to probably the best factory anywhere in the world.
We've basically doubled the production compared to our Driefontein factory, 100 million brick versus a 50 million brick.
We can export these bricks anywhere in the world. I'm confident that they meet any standard. And it makes me proud as a South African to say, this is a South African product and most importantly, I made it.
The factory in full production has been built not just for this year, but for the next 100 years. It is a privilege that this project has become part of the State President's investment program, to which we are fully committed. I'm proud to say that investments like this will hold the country in good stead for the next 100 years.
We thank you, Corobrik, for making a vital contribution in a very literal sense in helping to rebuild our economy. We look forward to having continuous engagements with yourselves, and as we say in our political speak, we say forward with Corobrik forward. Keep moving forward. Thank you very much.